Now, Gale CC will be seeking to give the parish of St. Mary its first title of the SDC Ray and Nephew National Community T20 Cricket Competition. They will face 2010 joint winners Orange Hill of Westmoreland in Sunday's final. The game is set to start at 2 p.m. at the Naranda Sports Complex.
The SDC and Ray and Nephew National Community T20 Cricket Report.
Over the past 3 years, the SDC Ray and Nephew National Community T20 Cricket Final has been decided in the final over, resulting in thrilling affairs for the thousands of spectators who turned out to support their community teams. This Sunday's final between Gale and Orange Hill should once again provide excitement and entertainment from the very first ball. On paper, Orange Hill looks to be wearing the favourites' tag as they have a stronger batting lineup with the likes of Ziggy Levy, who has over 200 runs in the team's last 3 matches and has not been dismissed in that time. Aldane Samuel, scorer of 2 half-centuries, destructive openers Maran Wilson and Rassie Spencer. While pacers Ewan Andrews and Navard Williams, along with spinners Ryan Burnett and Javane Stora, are capable of restricting any batting lineup for a gettable total. Gale's strength is expected to be their pace attack, led by Javon Hines with 18 wickets in his last 5 games. Skipper Sheldon Price with 15, along with Taki schoolboy Javon Hall with 13 and Sheldon Clark 10, all play the perfect supporting role. Their batting, however, is almost a one-man show, led by Anthony Walters, who has so far scored over 700 runs, with 3 centuries and 7 half-centuries coming in his last 7 outings. It means the likes of Orlando Robinson, Mikhail Down and Brian Robinson must play their part.
Yeah, we have a quality team and all we have to do is just analyze the game and go in the game with a positive mind. You know, I know that Orange will have a good team, but on the day, we can win. So only thing we have to do is go out there and play positive cricket and try to take as much catches.
With Walters scoring 70% of the team's runs, Nico Banton, captain of Orange Hill, says they have a plan for the competition's leading scorer.
We're gonna use the spinners again, as we say, because we realize Gale like the pace, so we're gonna use the spinner. And it's like a one-man army for him. So once we get him, we have a good chance of winning the final.
For Price, Sunday's game is a revenge match, as in 2015 they lost to another Westmoreland team, White House, in the semi-final.
Because in 2015, a Westmoreland team beat us, and now we are playing a Westmoreland team this year in a final. So it's a good improvement for us, and we are looking forward for this final.
The winners will collect $1.2 million, while the runners-up will pocket $600,000.
The SDC and Ray and Nephew National Community T20 Cricket Report.